Starting around the 19th of June 2023, Theta organization by and large is exchanging at 65 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.86% in kind of most recent 60-minute. Or so they especially thought. Theta truly has an especially complete market cap of $648,118,082 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,760,508, which truly is genuinely critical. This sort of makes Theta organization especially positioning at 57 in the cryptographic money market, which sort of is very critical. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every way that really matters is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023. What will Theta organization generally be worth in 2023, which truly is genuinely critical? Is Theta organization a for the most part wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023 in a very enormous manner? Will Theta cost truly outperform its untouched kind of high in an extremely enormous manner? These most certainly are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization value expectation 2023 as per the Theta organization figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Theta cost generally is supposed to really cross a very normal value level of 80 cents. The normal least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to fundamentally be 77 cents, which for the most part is very critical. Besides, Theta can basically arrive at a truly greatest value level of 89 cents, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta organization value gauge June 2023. For June 2023, the cost of Theta organization in a real sense is certainly anticipated to basically arrive at an especially normal cost of 68 cents, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of 70 cents and especially least of 62 cents in a kind of significant manner. Theta organization value conjecture July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Theta organization by and large is anticipated to generally arrive at an especially normal cost of 70 cents, while the coin could exchange between an in every way that really matters limit of 74 cents and in all things considered, least of 67 cents, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Theta organization truly is gauged to truly be at around a genuinely least worth of 68 cents. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at a sort of limit of 77 cents with the truly normal exchanging worth of 71 cents in USD, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Theta organization value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Theta organization cost for the most part is gauged to by and large arrive at in a real sense the least cost of 71 cents, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The Theta cost could sort of arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of 80 cents with the in every way that really matters, normal expected cost around 74 cents, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta value conjecture October 2023. The Theta organization gauge for October 2023 expects that the Theta may by and large arrive at a most extreme worth of 82 cents with a very least cost of around 73 cents, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the sort of typical value, Theta can generally stretch around 76 cents for October. Theta organization value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Theta organization truly is supposed to in every practical sense be at around at least 75 cents, showing how Theta organization value figure July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Theta organization generally is explicitly anticipated to truly arrive at a very normal cost of 70 cents, while the coin could exchange between a limit of 74 cents and at least 67 cents, which in a real sense is very huge. Theta organization cost can especially arrive at a genuinely limit of 86 cents with the by and large normal cost of 78 cents in USD, which by and large demonstrates the way that Theta organization cost can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of 86 cents with the truly normal cost of 78 cents in USD in an unpretentious way. Theta organization value figure December 2023. The sort of normal cost of Theta organization could go to 80 cents toward the finish of December 2023, exhibiting how Theta organization value expectation 2023 as per the Theta organization estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Theta cost basically is supposed to generally cross an especially normal value level of 80 cents. The normal least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to explicitly be 77 cents amazingly. Theta could generally be exchanging around an exceptionally greatest worth of 89 cents with the very least expected cost of 77 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Theta organization by and large past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been especially diminished by 0.72% in its ongoing worth, or so they especially thought. Assuming we look at the kind of current market cap of the Theta with yesterday, you can in a real sense see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta organization sort of is confronting a for the most part tough time jumping aboard within every practical sense other crypto coins in an unobtrusive way. The Theta basically is down to nearly 0.24% over the most recent 7 days, or so they essentially thought. The coin for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for especially past certainly couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have most areas of strength for certainly in any case. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in every practical sense, present moment, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Inside the in every way that really matters. Most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta sort of diminished by 44.031%, wiping out an incredible normal amount of 51 cents from its ongoing worth, showing how this in a real sense makes Theta organization kind of positioning at 57 in the digital currency market, which is very huge. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be an especially decent basically purchase an open door for certainly speedy interest in a huge manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 38.51%, and the cost basically flowed from a genuinely least lovely typical cost of 97 cents to sort of greatest normal cost of $1.06 in the especially beyond 90 day. So Theta organization value figure June 2023. For June 2023, the cost of Theta organization explicitly is anticipated to especially arrive at a very normal cost of 68 cents, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of 70 cents and a kind of least of 2 cents in a kind of significant manner. Theta organization truly is somewhere near 14.04%, with the truly most extreme truly normal cost of the coin by and large was around 78 cents and the kind of least by and large normal cost of truly was around 76 cents and certainly beyond 4 months. Theta organization value conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will in a real sense be Theta organization essentially worth in 2023, which especially is very critical. The Theta cost basically is gauged to arrive at an in every way that really matters. Most extreme degree of 89 cents with kind of least cost of 77 cents toward the finish of 2023, which especially is very huge. Does Theta organization most certainly have a future? Certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. As far as value, Theta organization by and large has an extraordinary especially potential to arrive at new levels, showing the way that Theta organization cost can in a real sense arrive at a genuinely limit of 86 cents with the very normal cost of 78 cents in USD, which basically demonstrates the way that Theta organization cost can explicitly arrive at a limit of 86 cents with the sort of typical cost of 78 cents in USD in an unobtrusive way. It explicitly is figure that Theta will increment in esteem, or so they especially thought, as per especially unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Theta organization can basically stir things up around town, much the most exorbitant cost of $4.27 till 2030, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Theta organization sort of worth purchasing in 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely huge? Theta network, worth